How to use filters on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can very easily use the filters which you have on Snapchat. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. First things first, you simply want to make sure you have actually downloaded as well as updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. If not, you can head over to your device's respective app store. In the search box, type in Snapchat and go ahead and simply either download or update this Snapchat app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated Snapchat, I'm going to open it, and the very next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now, let's say you actually want to take a picture, or you might also actually want to simply record a video. So if you want to use those filters, let me go ahead and simply select a particular photo right over here. Let's say I actually click this photo. If you want to add some filters, you could actually simply keep swiping right and then keep swiping wherever you want the filter to be used, whichever you actually want to use. If you want to add a custom filter, what you could basically do is, from the top right hand side, you can see this lens icon, which is this magnifying glass icon. You could basically simply tap on it and you'll be able to see a bunch of different lens simulator filters which you may actually want to use on Snapchat. So you have the top, you have the color sections, you have, let's say, frames filters, you could also have effects, and you have some of the face, and you also have some of the body effects. If you want to use some kind of effects, then you could go ahead and simply do that as well. Else you could actually switch it by actually simply swiping until you get to your desired filter. Now the same process is also similar to the videos. For example, let me go ahead and simply to record a certain video right over here. Let's say I simply actually recorded this video. Now if you want to actually add some effects to it, you simply have to again basically keep swiping right or left until you get to your desired filter as well. Now this is basically how it works. The other way, without, let's say you haven't taken a photo or video, you simply want to check how it looks, what you could do is you can come back and then tap on this card, and from the bottom right you can see lens carousel icon. You could simply tap on this emoji icon right over here, and you'll basically be able to see a bunch of different type of lenses, filters, and effects. If you wanted to use them, you could go ahead and do so. Now some type of lens and effects requires you to do some actions from your face. For example, it could ask you to blink your eyes or to take over your tongue or something else. It will ask you, in order to enable that filter, you simply need to go ahead and follow the instructions accordingly. And this is how you could very easily use filters on Snapchat. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.